Hey guys, it's Austin at Hunt Ford Chrysler in Franklin, Kentucky. It's been a while since I got you a video. Wanted to show you our first 2020 Ford Explorer ST. This is Ford's all new body style and it is really slick. You can see a huge difference in the front clip. I mean, they've just really made it look sportier. Obviously this is the sportiest trim level Explorer you can get right now, but they've kind of squished the front end of it. I think it's really slick. I got these new daytime running lights that look really aggressive. I just got done driving this car, and you know, I've got a 2018 Explorer myself, and this new body style is just miles and miles ahead of the previous body style. Now this trim level, for instance, has got the biggest motor that you can get right now in an Explorer. It's got a 3-liter twin turbocharged V6 putting out 400 horsepower. This is going to be the same motor and transmission combination that comes in the Police Interceptor, and they're saying this Police Interceptor is going to be the fastest Police Interceptor on the market. It's going to beat the 5.7 Hemi cop car, so it's going to be cool to see these Police Interceptors as well. But this car will absolutely go. I was really impressed with the throttle response. You know, this one's coupled with the new 10-speed transmission. It's really cool. It's got 7 different drive modes. You can go from, you know, off-road mode to sport mode to trailer tow mode. There's a million different things you can do with it. This one in particular, stickers for $59,640. This one's got the ST Street Pack, so it's going to have the performance brakes. It's also got the 21-inch wheel, which I think is really good looking. This one's also got the premium technology package, so it's got the big screen, portrait screen in the center stack there. It's got the nice Bang & Olufsen audio kit. I think the audio kit's rated at, gosh, I think it's like 980 watts or something like that. Really slick piece of equipment. I'm gonna let you guys look inside here. Got all new seats, all new interior, all new center stack. It's really, really nice. We've got this vehicle here and for sale. I don't think there's any rebates out on them just yet. I've got another one on the way. It's really something. I've noticed a lot of awesome differences about them. You know, like I said, I've got a 2018 XLT. So I can tell a lot of big differences just from personal use. Got this brushed aluminum finish on the inside, which is really high quality looking. You can see the Ford Performance logo down here. You can see the new steering wheel. You can see this big massive touchscreen here. Now, interestingly enough, this one's kind of a portrait mode. It's not a landscape mode, so it really almost looks like an iPad just hooked up there. You can see in the back here, buckets are standard on these vehicles now. So this one's got the buckets, and there's even a little console right down here where you can put your cups and everything. These new units, most importantly, standard are rear-wheel drive now. So you cannot get a front-wheel drive Explorer anymore. This one obviously has the 4-wheel drive system, but all 2-wheel drive Explorers now are rear-wheel, and the reason they're going that route is simply for the fact that they can tow more and they ride smoother. On this second row bench or buckets right here, you can hit this button, that seat will fall away for easy entry and exit. You can even see here they've got places to put your foot as the kiddos get in the back. All right guys, so here we are on the inside of this 2020 Ford Explorer ST. I'm gonna show you some of the options on the inside here. Everything's been completely redesigned. The biggest thing you see right off the bat is this 10.1-inch portrait screen here. This is a brand new thing that Ford's doing. You know, you see a lot of these bigger screens coming in these cars. Ram, for instance, has the massive 12.6-inch screen. This is a 10.1-inch screen that's optional on this trim level. It's really cool. You know, I thought they would have gone the landscape mode, but you know, you're seeing with these newer vehicles, you can almost see 2 sets of stuff. You can see your navigation up here, your audio down here. This is the same Sync 3 system, but it's kind of got a new skin over it, if you will. You can see through here, it's really responsive and snappy. The fit and finish on the inside is just really, really nice. You see all this brushed aluminum here, or what looks like brushed aluminum. You know, the buttons, they feel good and tactile. You can even change your temperature. It looks like we're obviously in Celsius. We need to get that changed back to Fahrenheit somehow. But everything on the inside's been redesigned. I'm really impressed with the room. I've got a 2018 Explorer myself. I feel like there's more room, and most noticeably for me, there's a spot to put my foot. When I'm driving down the road on the left side, I've found that in the 18 I didn't have a really good spot to put my foot. It's got a nice good flat spot there for me to drive comfortably. Big difference here, you notice too, you can see the rotary gear shifter. Ford and most all the manufacturers are going to a rotary gear shifter. Me personally, I like the handle because it's something that I can hold on to. I guess it's just something that I'm going to have to get used to. But you can see here, you can basically put your foot on the brake, toggle between drive modes. And the neat thing too is whenever you open the door and your car's in drive, it's automatically going to go back to park. So there's a lot of extra safety features, which obviously is a good thing. You can see here, this unit's got a 360-degree camera, so it shows you all the way around. It'll show you behind you as well. You can toggle between different views. It's really nice. You can see down here, there's a drive mode option where you can actually turn this knob and you'll see here the different drive modes. So you've got the normal mode, which I was in. You can see the neat animation that goes along with it. There's slippery, there's trail, deep snow and sand, and then when you go back the other direction, there's an economy mode, there's a sport mode, and then there's a trailer tow mode. I like the sport mode. It changes the gauges, makes it look really sporty and almost kind of Tron like, but it'll show you your RPMs, your miles per hour. It's really cool. Car's really nice. They've done great updates on this vehicle. You know, like I said, this is a 400 horsepower vehicle. It's going to have the same motor and transmission in it that the new Police Interceptor Explorers are going to have, and they're billing those as the most powerful, fastest Interceptors on the market currently. So it'll be interesting to see that as well. But this thing's got all the power you could ever need. I was really impressed with the throttle response and even the braking. You know, this thing has got the big Brembos and everything on it. It's really nice. If you look down low here, one nice addition that I've noticed, they've got a wireless charging port right here. So, well, not port, more like a pad. So you can take your phone out, sit it right here. It's automatically going to charge if your phone's capable of doing the wireless charging. So if you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We've got this vehicle here in for sale. We're the home of no dealer fees and no dock fees. I'll put my phone number up there where you can get in touch with me if you got any questions, comments, concerns, you know, anything at all. You can even leave us a YouTube comment. I'll be glad to get back to you guys. So in the meantime, hope y'all have a great weekend. We really appreciate you watching. If there's anything else we can do for you, just give us a shout. Thanks a bunch.